Hello everyone, I am your drawing teacher Rehana Merchant. Today we are going to learn number 8. See, first you draw this circle, then second circle, write number 8, then you do triangle, carrot nose, this you do triangle, then button, wooden stick hand, snowman. Okay, now second we'll do ant. We do 8 number, then extend one more circle. See, ant legs, antenna, eyes. Now third you do this, see, 8 number, then you do like this circle. Do eyes, ears, teddy bear. See, do like this. Okay. Now fourth one will do cat. Do number 8. We draw with the help of number 8. We draw picture with the see. Then do triangle like this and do mustache, cat ears, legs and tail. One more we do this 8 number, write 8 number here. See, then draw eyes, beak, sparrow it is, flying sparrow, wings and tail. Okay. See, I done black sketch pen. I wrote number 8. Now I'm doing this picture with the black sketch pen. See, I done black sketch pen. Now I'm doing coloring. See, I done coloring. See, I complete this with the coloring. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.